Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the world's most incredible vehicles that redefine luxury and innovation. Today, we are stepping inside the 2026 Prevost Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece worth over $3 million. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a 5-star hotel on wheels that will leave you speechless. Imagine pulling up to a scenic mountain view or a beachside sunset, and instead of booking a luxury resort, your resort is already with you. That's exactly what the Prevost 2026 offers. Ultimate freedom wrapped in unmatched luxury. As soon as you step inside, the first thing that captures your attention is the spacious living room, designed with handcrafted leather seating, panoramic smart glass windows, and mood lighting that adapts to your vibe. It feels like you've entered a modern penthouse. And yes, that massive 4K smart entertainment wall makes movie nights on the road feel better than at home. Moving to the kitchen area, Prevost proves that road trips don't mean sacrificing fine dining. The kitchen is equipped with a chef-grade induction stove, dual smart refrigerators, and even a built-in wine cooler. Every cabinet is soft close with golden accents, making it look like something out of $1 million yacht. Next, the bedroom suite is where things get even more jaw-dropping. A king-size memory foam bed, touch-controlled climate zones, and hidden storage that makes packing for long journeys effortless. And get this, the Prevost 2026 includes a sky window above the bed, so you can fall asleep under the stars without leaving your pillow. And of course, the bathroom. This is no RV bathroom. We're talking a full spa-inspired retreat with a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, and even a smart mirror that gives you weather updates while you get ready. But luxury isn't just about interiors. Under the hood, the Prevost 2026 runs on a hybrid diesel-electric system, giving it not just power but also efficiency for long cross-country trips. The advanced suspension system makes even the roughest roads feel like you're floating. So is the 2026 Prevost Motorhome worth its $3 million price tag? If you're looking for the perfect mix of mobility, luxury, and technology, the answer is absolutely yes. This isn't just transportation. It's an experience of a lifetime. If you enjoyed this look inside the Prevost 2026, make sure to subscribe to Auto Plus for more amazing luxury vehicle reviews. Drop a comment below. Would you live in this hotel on wheels full-time? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the road in style.